In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert MP4 file to MP3 with VLC Media Player. So let's get started. So I have this one from here. I have this MP4 file. Okay. So item type MP4 file. So we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type VLC. Click on VLC Media Player under the best match. Now once you open the VLC Media Player, click on the Media tab right here on the ribbon. And here you'll find this option Convert and Save. Then click on this Add button and choose where you have saved your video or your MP4 file. Then click on Open. Then click on Convert and Save. Now here for the profile, click on this drop down. And then here we have to simply choose Audio MP3, okay? Audio MP3, and then browse for the destination file. Let me save it on the desktop. And here for the file name, simply type filename.mp3, okay? Filename.mp3 and click on save. Okay, now once done, click on start. This will start converting. Now it's done. Let's close this. And now we have here on the desktop. So this was the original file, MP4 file. And now this has been converted to item type MP3 file. Okay, that's it. As easy as that, you can convert an MP4 to MP3. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.